Welcome to Geeking Out with MellyMel. I'm Melissa. Today's video is going to be short, but today we'll be unboxing and reviewing this brand new Wizarding World Fred Weasley with Weasley's Wizard Wheezes Funko Pop. This is a Target exclusive, just came out. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so like I said, this video is going to be short. It's all about the Weasleys. I am wearing my George Weasley sweater from the Wizarding trunk. I'm also wearing my Weasley inspired earrings by Geekably Cute. And of course, again, this is all about the Weasleys. I didn't have a Fred Weasley sweater. This Funko Pop is a Target exclusive. This was just released online on, I believe it was Sunday, February 19. Again, a Target exclusive. The retail price for this was $29.99, and this shipped like this so quickly. Now, this is a pretty big Funko Pop. It does have a sticker in the front that says Funko Target Con 2023 limited edition exclusive. Now, Funko has been releasing a lot of Harry Potter pops. A lot of them look like this and have been Target exclusives. And of course, this is licensed by Warner Brothers. This is number 158. It is a Pop Deluxe. And let's go ahead and take it out of the box. Again, $29.99, so it's a bit of a pricier pop, but it's so nice. It is a decent size. This Funko Pop makes for an amazing displayable item. As usual, I open my Funko Pops from the bottom. This is something that my friends over at the Funko community on YouTube have taught me. So, hello everybody. Thank you for the tip. And let's go ahead and take this out. Ooh, this is so cool, you guys. Oh, so here we have Fred by himself. Oh goodness, he is holding a puking pastels box. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? I love it. We're gonna get close-ups in just a second. And of course, here it is, the famous Weasley's Wizard Wheezes. This is so cool. I love all the details. I love the colors. It's so vibrant. Let's go ahead and get some close-ups. Now, I have mentioned this before, but these stickers on the boxes tend to make your Funko Pops that much more valuable. So, pretty cool that we have that on here. Now, as usual, I do keep track of my Funko Pops on the Funko app. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up on my phone real quick so that I can add that to my collection. Not only is it a really cool way to keep track of the Funko Pops that you have, but you also know their trending value through the PPG, which means Pop Price Guide. So I'm going to go ahead and scan the bottom of the box, the little barcode at the bottom, so I can add it to my collection. Very interesting. It says we couldn't find the product by UPC. Let's search for it by name. Okay, so let's try this here. Alright, so this is really interesting. For some reason, I cannot find it on the app. Maybe because it's still pretty new. And I even tried searching it by name. But we do have the other pops from the series in here. Like we have Harry Potter with the Out Emporium. We have Lupin with the Shrieking Shack. We have Dumbledore with Hog's Head in, Neville with Honeydukes. I actually won that one. I won it. We have Madame Rosmerta with 3 broomsticks. We have Hagrid with the Leaky Cauldron. I do have that one. We have Genie with Flourish and Blots. Ron Weasley with Quality Quidditch Supplies. We have the Gringotts Head Goblin, which I do have that as well. We have Garrick Ollivanders, and we actually have 2 of those. We have one with a certain sticker and the other one with a different sticker. Again, that sticker does make a difference. So I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to be priced. Again, this just came out about a week ago, so maybe that's why it's still not on the app yet. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this pop. Let me know if you have any other pops from this series. As usual, if you love the things that I talk about, definitely subscribe, comment, like, and hit that notification bell so that you can keep winking out with me. Bye!